Hi guys, welcome to Math by Maka. Today we are going to study a tricky example that will show us the difference between the union and the intersection of the same sets. Our set here contains integers that are greater or equal than -5. Our set B contains natural numbers that are less or equal than 12. Let's find A union B and A intersection B. Here, let's begin by remembering what is the set of natural numbers. It begins with 0 and continues to the infinity. What is the set of integers? It comes from the negative infinity, contains all the negative numbers and 0 and positive numbers and stretches into the positive infinity. You can see here Z contains natural numbers. In a way, we can also say that natural numbers is a subset of the set of integers. We should consider this while creating the union and the intersection. What was the union of A and B? It contains elements that are in A or in B. Okay, we have to examine the elements of B. They have to be less or equal than 12. But since they are natural numbers, they begin with 0. So they have to be between 0 and 12. Here, A have to be greater or equal than -5. Now, while creating the union, we need to take the negative numbers too. Because we have to take -5, -4, -3, -2, and -1 because they are in A. So we have to take integers. We have to select our elements from the set of integers because it is more extensive and the union is more extensive. And here, if x is greater or equal than -5, it also contains the elements between 0 and 12 because it goes on and so and 12 and 13, 14 and goes on like that to the infinity. So if we combine these two, we only get x is equal or greater than -5. So it is our condition. When we combine these conditions, we only get this. Now let's find A intersection B. Let's remember, it contains elements that are both in A and in B. It is a check here. And when we create the union, we take or. In the intersection, we say and. Here, again, in B, the elements are between 0 and 12. In A, elements are greater or equal than -5. But we are searching for the elements both in A and in B. So we can take -5, -3, -1. We can or -2. We can take the negative numbers. So here our condition changes into x must be greater than, equal or greater than 0. We already have that. X needs to be greater or equal than 0, and it also have to be less or equal than 12. So these two conditions turns into one that x needs to be between 0 and 12. And let's write our intersection. Since intersection is less extensive, we have to choose the less extensive set, and it is natural numbers, and we need to write our condition here. We created A intersection B. It contains natural numbers that are between 0 and 12. This was a tricky one, guys. A tough one, really. And you made it through. Congrats, and see you soon.